Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jeremy here with another coin trance video for you guys. In this video, I wanted to change it up a little bit, and I wanted to kind of show the people out there that's new to cryptocurrency how to get their hands on some coins without having to invest anything. So if you want to get in the crypto space and you don't really have money to invest at the moment and you want to get your feet wet, then I'm going to show you guys how to get some coins for free with this really cool site. So this site right here is called Coinpot. It's a cryptocurrency micro wallet. So it's pretty much a wallet that allows you to hold several different cryptocurrencies and at the same time allow you to get free cryptocurrencies from these things called faucets. So when you get these free cryptos from these faucets, then they'll get paid out into your Coinpot wallet, which is really cool. And as you can see, so far 2 Bitcoin has been paid out, 1.8 Bitcoin Cash, over 3 million Dogecoin, which is worth I don't know, probably like $30,000, $300,000 or something like that. 138 Litecoin and 2.9 Dash. So this site is getting a lot of traffic and a lot of people are using it to get free crypto. It's very easy to get started. You just want to go ahead and register for a free account, and then when you sign in, you'll have a dashboard that looks like this. All right. So as you can see, there are 5 different modules here. You'll have the Bitcoin Core section, Bitcoin Cash. You have your Dash, your Litecoin, and your Dogecoin. So this is where you keep track of all of your balances. All right. This is a really cool little multi-currency wallet, by the way. I really enjoy this thing. So as you can see, I used it for like 5 minutes last night and I got 206 Satoshis. 206 Satoshis for Bitcoin Cash. Almost 0.3 Doge, a little bit of Litoshi, and some Dash. So really cool stuff. So I'll show you guys how to get started earning some free crypto with the faucets. So this micro wallet, the guy who created this project actually has his own faucets. So he has like 6 different faucets, and if you come to the home page, you can actually see them right here. So let's start off from the first one. So let's go here. Okay, so this is the first faucet right here. It's called Moon Bitcoin. Let me go back. This one's called Moon Bitcoin, and if you click it, it will open up the faucet. All right. So I actually have all 6 open already. So I'm just gonna go ahead and so what you want to do is you want to go through each of these slider images. So go through all 6 and click on each one of them and open them up in your browser. So here's the first one. It's called Mooncash. So this is how you claim free Bitcoin. It's extremely easy. So this faucet, oops, I don't know why I did that. What the heck? Let me go back. Oh, there we go. I don't know what that was. All right. So it's really easy. So this one's for Bitcoin Cash. So as soon as we claim this amount right here, it's going to be deposited straight into our Coinpot wallet. So to claim, you just simply click on claim, and then please prove that you're a human. Switch to solve media capture. Oh, there it is. Patience is a virtue. All right. So what you want to do is you want to just simply click on I'm not a robot, and then these little pictures are going to pop up probably. Oh, that's strange. It didn't pop up this time. So then you just click that, click on claim, and then boom, it's going to tell you that your faucet claim was successful. It's going to tell you how much was deposited. And then you also get these cool little bonuses. So if you use the site every single day, you will get an additional 1% bonus. So since I've used it yesterday, I get extra 1%. So if I use it again tomorrow, then I'll get 2%, and it goes all the way up to 100%. So you can double your claim amounts, which is cool. And then you also get this cool little mystery bonus. So I get an additional 18% on top of that 1%. So I get 19% total, which gave me 200 and 70 Bitcoin Cash. So it's that easy, guys. Then all you want to do is simply come over to the other 5 that you clicked on, and then we do the same thing here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on claim. All right, sometimes an ad will open. You just go ahead and just close it, and then you just go back, click on claim, same thing, and then click on claim. Boom. So just that fast, I got 480 dash, not dash, but I think it's, I don't know if it's dash Toshis, but I got 480 micro dash. And then, so, oh, that's pretty cool. I got a 95% mystery bonus. So plus this additional 1%. So I pretty much doubled my claim with 941. That's really cool. So then I can come over here, and then, oh, I forgot to I forgot to also add, you have to sign into these faucets. So you can sign in with your Coinpot credentials. So sign in with your Coinpot login details, and yeah, it should work. And if it doesn't work, just register for it. So let's come over here to Bitfun, and then let's see, how do I claim from here again? Let's refresh. So Bitfun, where is it at? Let's click on play games. Okay. So with Bitfun, same concept. You just come over here, click on claim, and then, okay, sometimes you have to click it again, I guess. Click on claim, click on that, and then come down here and click claim. So opened up, sometimes it'll open up ads, just close out of them. Then this one told me faucet claim successful, so I just claimed 70 Satoshi just like that. So now my Coinpot balance is up to 283. So you can go to the rest of them. There's more. There's bonus Bitcoin, which is really cool. There's Litoshi, or Moonlight Coin, which is another faucet. See, like, I can just easily claim, like, actually, let me go back. Jeez, these ads are so annoying. Okay, well, that was stupid. Let's go back to moonlightco.in. Okay. So yeah, so this faucet I can instantly claim 2,000 Satoshis or Litoshis, and you can claim every single 5 minutes. So this stuff can rack up some crypto over time, which is like extremely cool because it's like free money. So like this one right here, I can claim half a Dogecoin. Just, yeah, those ads. All right, so yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Then once you claim it, you come back over here to your Coinpot account, and you can see I have to refresh mine. So as you can see, I got 283 before it was like 200, and then yeah, so you get some free crypto. And then what you can do is you can also, let me show you some other cool stuff. So you, for example, if I wanted to convert this Bitcoin Cash into Bitcoin, I can just click on this little arrow next to this little arrow right here, and then come over here and click convert Bitcoin Cash to, and then it will take me to this page right here, and I can convert all of my Bitcoin Cash into Bitcoin. So I can just click on maximum here, and then it will tell me how much Bitcoin I'll receive, and I can just click on convert. So yeah, so if you wanted to convert all of your coins and just rack up on Bitcoin, you can do that. And then if you want to withdraw, you just simply, let's go to dashboard. Once you want to withdraw, you just come over here and click on withdraw Bitcoin. Put your address in, and boom, you're done. So that's the main way to earn on this site. There's also one more way that I want to show you guys. So for example, if I wanted to get some more free coins, I can come over here. For example, I want some Dogecoin. I click on the arrow, and then I can come over here and click on mine Dogecoin. So you can actually do some mining on this site too, if you have a pretty fast computer, or if you have like a little mining rig set up. Yeah, you can come over here, and then it will just automatically mine Dogecoin for you. So you can just leave this on, walk away, and earn some free Dogecoin. It will automatically pay out every 5 minutes. So I'll show you with my computer speed. Let's see if I can view some transactions here. So if I click on Dogecoin transactions, I actually earned one mining payout from Coinpot, and I received 0.007 Doge. Okay, so if I left this on, then I could easily get like maybe 1 to 2 Doge per day, just like leaving my computer on. But my computer's not that fast, but yours might be faster, and you can rack up a lot more. So that's how to get free Bitcoin, how to get free crypto for everyone getting started in the cryptocurrency space. I hope this was valuable. Also, there's another strategy that you guys can use. So when you withdraw your crypto from this site, you can start investing it into other coins. So it's a great way to get started investing in other cryptocurrencies. So if you wanted to buy some Tron, you can just simply withdraw your Bitcoin and then deposit it into an exchange like Binance or something, and then you can buy yourself some Tron and expand your portfolio. So I really love this site. I'm going to be using this every single day. Yeah, the price of Bitcoin is constantly rising. So you guys, it may not look like a lot, but over time, like this little amount that I have, these 283 Satoshis, could be worth like, I don't know, like in the future, probably like $10 or something. You never know, because Bitcoin is constantly increasing in price. So hopefully this was helpful. If you guys want to see more content, please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps a lot. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm doing that giveaway for you guys. So stay tuned. Much love, my crypto fam. Take care.